All right, I've been busy in here. Been busy, just haven't filmed anything. Restored. Oh. Oh boy, almost dropped it. This goes right here. Doop 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 doop. Doop 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 doop. Oh, soon. Taking care of the car show this weekend, and after that, be all hands on deck. Yeah, we are not far away from firing it up. Gotta put the injectors in, plug all that in. I've got the harness ran where it's gonna go. The valve covers are on, just not the tops. Oh my God. The coils are in. Clipped in, wired, whatever. Achoo! Wow. Okay. So yeah, headers. Yeah. Some more wiring stuff. This goes to the stuff. Yeah. Anyways, this is where we're at. Almost time to make engine noises. So. Yay! All right. So tonight, I'm crouching down because I feel like the camera's not getting me, but could be wrong. Anyways, tonight I'm on the mission to get these trophies done. I got to clean up all the hard edges, deburr everything, go over with the sand disc, and then we're gonna powder coat them. I fell asleep with Raina tonight, and I don't have 2 days to do this, so I'm gonna be up all night. So if I have to be up all night, you gotta be up all night. So let's get her done. Got everything grinded, cleaned up, brake cleaned, deburred, yeah, any other fancy word that I can think of. So, got the oven fired up. It's getting warm in here. Whew. So, time to pull out the powder coating setup. Gotta find my bar that goes across. I don't know where that went, but gotta find it. It's messy. The first batch is in. Let's do this. Drink the last bit of my coffee. It's only 5:30, no big deal. All right, murder scene in here. Rockers. The rockers. Let's get this guy down here. Keeps a little bit of heat. When you home make stuff, doesn't always line up like it should. Stay. All right, there's not much I can do at this point, other than maybe clean these up and paint them, but they're all oily, so I'm gonna leave them be. I have to cut these individually, so I'll probably do that next. And then once the rockers are out and good enough for me to grab, I'm gonna measure. I should have measured last year, or wrote down the measurement from last year, but what do you do when you live in a shoe? But yeah, so I'm gonna prep all this stuff as much as I can, and then once that's out, we'll start piecing them together. And then I gotta drill the bottoms of these things to be able to mount them to the mounts. So that'll be interesting. All right, looks pretty good. I cleaned them with brake clean, but some of them still had oil in it. The Chevy wasn't ready to quit. So yeah, orange should look a lot better than the blue ones I did last year. All right, the car show's over. It was a great success. Lots of cool cars won stuff. Lots of donations. Pretty pumped up. I'm gonna set up a shot out here so we can check some cars. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thanks, buddy.